Imagine fitting cinema-quality aerial footage into your backpack, no bulky cases. No special licenses and no need to look like you're about to pilot a spaceship. That's exactly what DJI might be delivering with the Mini 5 Pro, a drone that's smaller than your lunchbox, but possibly smarter than your smartphone. The world of compact drones is evolving fast, and DJI is leading the charge. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just another, slightly better update. It's shaping up to be a complete redefinition of what a sub-250 grams drone can do. Yes, it still stays under that magic 250-gram weight limit, which in most countries means no registration, no license, and no paperwork. Just unbox it, take off, and start filming sunsets, mountain trails, perfect beach shots, without dealing with forms or red tape. While it's tiny, the tech inside is anything but small. Rumors suggest a 1-inch image sensor, a huge leap from the Mini 4 Pro's smaller sensor, bringing better low-light performance, richer colors, and more dynamic range. Pair that with 5.4K video at 60 frames per second. You're looking at cinema-level quality from something that fits in your pocket. It's perfect for fast sports shots, slow cinematic pans, and everything in between. Social media creators will be happy to know the vertical shooting mode is staying, making TikToks, Reels, and Shorts effortless. No more awkward cropping and post-stand, with advanced AI subject tracking. The Mini 5 Pro becomes your flying cameraman, following you smoothly. Whether you're walking, running, or biking, battery life could be one of the biggest upgrades. With a leaked 33.5 watt-hours battery, potentially pushing flight times close to 50 minutes, a massive jump over its predecessor, and with 6.5W fast charging, you could top up from a power bank while hiking. The new O4 transmission system promises ultra-low latency and stable control, up to 30 kilometers under ideal conditions. So whether you're flying along a coastline or through a forest, your signal should remain strong. In a surprise twist, it might also work with DJI's RC2 and RCN3 controllers, plus the DJI Goggles 3 for immersive FPV. Flying, imagine feeling like you're inside the drone as you pull off precision moves through tight spaces. Safety could get a major boost too, with LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance similar to self-driving cars, mapping environments with incredible accuracy, even in low light. And then there's the unexpected feature, onboard audio recording, letting you capture ambient sounds or narrate live during flights. Great for travel vlogs or documentary-style footage. Sure, the price is rumored to be between $1,199 and $1,499, which is higher than the Mini 4 Pro, but still well below the Mavic 3 series. And for solo creators, wedding videographers, travel YouTubers, and hobbyists who want pro-level shots without a truckload of gear, it could be worth every penny. Until now, high-end drones required big cases, extra batteries, sometimes even a crew. The Mini 5 Pro changes that, lowering the barrier for professional aerial filmmaking and making it possible for one person to plan, shoot, and edit cinematic videos anywhere. And with DJI's strong ecosystem controller compatibility, DJI Fly app updates, and firmware improvements, this is more than just a purchase. It's an investment in a creative tool that keeps getting better. So, is the DJI Mini 5 Pro the ultimate travel-friendly cinema drone? If even half of these rumors are true, it could be the must-have drone of 2025. Lightweight, smart, powerful, and ready to make your work better, faster, and more fun. If you're a creator, traveler, someone who's ever dreamed of turning ideas into stunning aerial footage, this could be the creative freedom you've been waiting for. I'll be covering the official launch and first reviews as soon as they drop. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications